We love desserts in our house, but I'm always looking to make healthy swaps. And that's now possible with 24 Mantras range of organic products. This Ragi cake was a big hit with Mahi and all her friends. Start by adding organic jaggery powder to a bowl, along with curd, whole milk, vinegar, water, vanilla extract, and organic sunflower oil. Jaggery has a ton of benefits. It acts as a blood purifier and can actually boost the hemoglobin in your blood, which is why it makes for a great substitute for sugar. And here's another healthy swap. We're using organic ragi flour and organic whole wheat atta instead of maida in our cake. Also add some cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and then use a sieve to sieve these dry ingredients into your wet mixture. Use a blender to blend everything together till you don't see any dry mixture whatsoever. Did you know that ragi actually has double the amount of calcium than milk, and that's why I think it makes for a great healthy swap. Pour this mixture into a lined baking pan and then bake this in a preheated oven for 45 to 60 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. While our cake is baking in the oven, let's make a really fun and healthy praline to go on top of our cake. I'm using freshly grated coconut and walnuts, and we're toasting them together till everything looks a nice golden brown. Add some sulfurless sugar from 24 Mantra and then just mix everything together. Keep this on a low heat, mix once in a while, and you'll see that sugar melting and caramelizing and becoming a beautiful golden brown. Meanwhile, our cake is ready and it looks fantastic. Let the cake cool completely before topping it with some coconut cream or whipped cream. I'm all ready to dig in, but trust me, the praline will make this even better. Once the praline has set, just break it up into little bits. And then top your cake with some praline. Go extra, guys. This cake is light and airy and moist, and I love the fact that 24 Mantras organic products have gone into it. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Happy cooking!